Step into the Chrysler 2011 Town and Country Tour now. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: quick order package 29J, 30GB HDD with 250 song capacity, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player, DVD audio and radio data system. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.